Tech Tips: Terminating coaxial cable. Tools you will need: pliers, stripping tool, crimping tool, box cutter, cable cutters, ruler, connectors, pins. The cable installation will require a toolkit and some hand tools. The kit purchased from ESI has a preset calibrated cable stripping tool specific to this cable type. Stripping the coax jacket. This requires a clean, even cut. Cut the cable using the stripper tool. This will perform a double cut in the cable. When the cut is complete, the end piece can be removed using pliers. Crimping the pin. Before crimping the pin, measure the center conductor length. This must be 1/4 inch. It is critical this length is correct. Fit the center pin on the conductor, and there must be 1/16 inch gap. This is slightly larger than your fingernail thickness. Crimp the center pin using the smallest slot on the crimp tool and validate the center pin is secure. Do not double crimp the pin. Securing connector. Slide the ferrule onto the cable. Remove the outer layer of the coax cable using a box cutter. Fold back the braid material. Install the connector. Push until the center pin position is acceptable. 1/16 inch, either flush or you can catch the center pin with your fingernail. Slide the ferrule onto the connector and crimp the ferrule using the large slot on the crimp tool. Validate it's locked firmly. All connections need to be tightened with pliers and sealed with silicone self-sealing tape. This prevents moisture from entering the connection or the cable and provides support. Thank you for watching. For more information, please contact us at tech@electro-sensors.com or 1-800-328-6170.